Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let's see if I can do it. Ah, damn, I already did it today. Nah, my rear delts, I can crack my rear delts. It's weird. I go like that and go crack my neck.
Oh, Jesus.
Hang on.
Oh.
Hang on.
Oi.
Wait.
What the frick? Wee.
Let's see if I can do my knee. Hang on.
Ow!
What about this one? Crack of the day.
What about this one?
So today we're going to be doing the easiest lazy eye mod on the 180. If you don't know what a lazy eye mod is, first of all what it is you have your headlights slightly up, not all the way up, just slightly up so it looks lazy. There are a few ways to do it. The easiest way really, I mean this way could be easier, is cutting the brown wire. So you pull, there's a little switch, you can make the headlights go up and down. You can take that switch out. Behind you got a bunch of wires, you can cut the brown wire. I don't have a brown wire. Mine's one of the models that don't have the brown wire. I have checked. So I found another way to do it. You have a switch. Alright. An inline fuse, which will cut. Have some wire, but I might get some thicker wire just to be safe. Spade connector on each side, and you plug them both in. You find the positive side of the fuse. You put one side in. The positive side goes from the fuse to the wire into the inline fuse, where your fuse then goes into the switch. The other wire goes from the switch straight back into where your fuse would be. And in theory, what should happen is you should be able to turn your headlights on when the switch is on. Then you switch your switch off, turn the headlights off, the headlights will stay up, the lights will go out, then you can flick your switch quickly and they'll slowly go down to the point you want. The first thing we're going to do is pull the fuse out and see which side is positive. On. Yeah, okay. So what, the left side. We're going to make our little fandangling thingy, and we're going to see if it actually works first. Let's use sticker wire.
No, that's why it's no good. It's too thin.
No, we need that!
No, we don't.
No!
Just use this one.
Use the nice big fat brown looking one, the ugly colour.
The old school colour.
How much we're going to need? Hang on. Probably don't even need this. I'll just use this much, I don't want to waste this thing.
Get in there.
Cool!
Is that what sound it makes?
Disgusting.
It tasted like steak.
Did you have steak?
Garlic steak.
I had like oyster blade. You've ever had oyster blade?
No.
Yeah, it was really thin. It was like 2-minute steak, but it was like oyster blade. Oysters.
Well, I had.
I didn't know. Fucking, you could find steak in the sea, like rock oysters.
Rock lobster.
Rock lobster.
It'll be so annoying bringing the cable all the way to the glove box.
Nah, you think it is, but it's just gonna feed right behind. It's not that hard. Don't worry. Don't worry, man. No, don't worry. No, what I'm gonna do is fandangle it. Fandangle.
If Joe was here,
He'd be saying, yeah, you can solder it.
solder, mate.
This one goes. I need to get the fuses on the floor. This one goes into the. Bring the camera.
Alright.
Now, the moment of truth. So this, in theory, should now just go up as normal. Alright, so, easiest sleepy eye mod on the 180SX. So if you've been searching through the internet, forums, YouTube videos, websites, everything, just like myself, if you're thinking about buying a kit, buy a kit. But if you want to do a DIY, very simple, very easy. This should cost me like $8, not even, you know.
This is literally wire we had laying around.
Wire we had laying around,
Switch.
one a momentary switch, and an inline fuse. So basically, we explain how we've done it. How to do it is you turn your headlights, so you keep the switch to on, so this circuit is closed, ready to rock and roll. Headlights on, flick your switch to off, circuit is open. Turn your headlights off. Now to make them go down, just flick your switch nice and fast to the spot you want. Bang, sleepy eye.
That's so sick.
Welcome to the jungle. Headlights on, bang, and off.
What's going on, mate?
Hey, welcome back.
We haven't even reached the end of the video yet.
Yeah, that's alright. We've got 1 out of 3 to go. Oh, still there. Heating up the soldering iron.
Solderer.
Solder.
Where's the beginning of the...
So what do you want to do? Do you want to still use these, or do you want to just wire straight onto it?
What, you could just drop some solder. Nah, wire straight onto it. Do one at a time, but so we know which one's which. Yeah. Or
doesn't matter.
Yeah, leave the blue one on this. We know.
Doesn't matter. But yeah. Okay.
But I think it does matter.
That's fine.
Oh, you know what? No, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, but.
Oh, it might. Wait, which one was blue? Which one was blue?
Blue was the bottom one.
Alright, just remember.
Alright, yeah, I got it.
Don't feel my bum. My ass crack's coming out.
People will probably are saying like, why are they soldering on the floor when they can do it on the bench or on the table?
Well, this is the workbench, so good luck getting in there.
And if we get solder on the table and it gets stuck and we ruin the table, we're getting our balls chopped off.
Yeah, we're gonna probably get a shoe to the face and a spoon to the bum. Is it born?
It's born!
Alright, slowly.
Oh my god, it's too loose. Do I get some? Do I get a pair?
Hello.
Ow!
So I can't see, it's too dark.
That's perfect, just like that. Yeah.
I actually can't see anything, so. That is how you fandangle some wiring.
Cool.
Awesomeness.
Sick. Well done.
There you have it, guys. That's how you Sleepy Eye mod your 180SX Type X for under $10. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget that hit to hit 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 that bell button.
What are you doing, mate?
Huh?